guys almost know everybody because there wasn't a chant for Disco Stu. He's the cameraman. Chance tonight, but the favorite one I heard was when you told yourselves, "We are awesome." Because you make WrestleMania moments and you make superstars. Tonight was a hell of a moment for our new World Heavyweight Champion, Dolph Ziggler. And a special moment for him was made even more special for you because you were excited, you were entertained, and you were active for him in this ring tonight, and for that, we all thank you. The guy who debuted this couldn't be here tonight. But when he did, he said he wanted to debut the People's Era, and he was right. Because I look around and I listen tonight. You guys create the stars in this business. You create the energy. You create the atmosphere. I know a lot of vacation days were spent on this weekend. I know a lot of dollars. I know a lot of experiences were had. There is no better way than to prove this belongs to the people. Tonight, I'm giving it to you. By playing somebody's music because they think we gotta leave with somebody's music, but not tonight. Because tonight